What's good, YouTube? It's your boy LC back with another video. As you can see from the title, this is something new, something brand new and something fresh, man. My guy right here, y'all already seen him. My guy Jediah, man. Y'all see him in the last video. He's gonna get me right with the curly hair routine. He specializes in this. Tell him what you about to do, man.
Pretty much, we're gonna give him the curls. We're gonna fix all this stuff a little bit.
Cause yeah, this right here, this ain't cutting it. It's all dry. Right. So he's gonna get me right. Y'all follow him on social media, Instagram, TikTok, all that. And he's gonna be also dropping some videos on his channel too with his hair routines and all that. So this is something new. You guys, hey, take some notes. This is the guy right here. So we're gonna get straight to the video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it.
So basically what we're gonna get into, we're gonna start off, we're gonna shampoo, we're gonna condition, we're gonna deep condition. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna deep condition. After we deep condition, that's when we get into the styling. So the first thing you wanna do when you get curls, when you define your curls, because you already have curls. If you have our hair type, you already have curls. So what you wanna do, you wanna make sure your hair is moisturized. Let me give y'all some information. If your hair is not moisturized, your curls aren't gonna show. You have curls, they just won't show. So if your hair is not moisturized, you're not gonna have curls. Shampoo, we're gonna start off with the Creme Nature coconut milk. You see?
We're gonna put it in the description too.
Right here, Creme Nature. Then after, we're gonna deep conditioning, and we're gonna do regular condition. We're gonna use this. Both these have slip to them. They're good for slip. If you want a conditioner or a shampoo that doesn't really dry out like your hair too much or that really moisturizes like decently, use these. These both have slip too. So for this one, I used to use this one a lot for my hair. My products are a little bit different than the ones I use for him, but we're gonna put them on. But right now, these are what we got. So we're gonna use the originals, if I can pick that up, the olive oil deep conditioner, Africa's Best. This one, it's not too bad, not too bad. Then after, we got the vitamin E oil. You put this on your scalp, rub it in just a little bit. Then as you move around through the day, it's gonna go around to the rest of your scalp, the rest of your hair. And it moisturizes your hair, promotes hair growth, it does all that good stuff. And then we're gonna put the leave-in conditioner. Creme Nature. Creme Nature is really good. This line is not bad. This is what all these products I used when I first started my hair journey. This stuff works. This stuff is good. Dang, we got a lot of products. Hey, I didn't even realize, bro. We're gonna use the Creme Nature, the coconut milk, the moisturizing hair milk. What's this? I can't focus it. And then after, we're gonna use, it's either one of these two. We'll see. We got the Jamaican black castor oil, the dark one. Either, we'll pick one or the other, but we'll see. Then like our main tool, Denman brush. Denman brush. This is key right here. This is key. If you use this or a paddle brush to detangle, this works. So let's get into it. The concept is pretty much the same. You wash, then you style, and you're good to go. The styling and the washing process may vary in small details, but the general concept is the same. So you wash, you condition, you deep condition, then after you put your moisturizers, and then you put your oils. All right, so first off, we're gonna wash his hair with the shampoo. You wanna always make sure you start off with a clean scalp before you apply product or do anything to it. This way it allows you to really get the products in your hair. If your hair is dirty and has buildup and has all like bacteria and stuff in it, your hair is not gonna absorb the new product you're putting in, and it's just gonna be old grime and dirt sitting in your hair. So make sure to always start off on a clean scalp, and scrub your hair, scrub your scalp with your fingertips, not your nails. Rub like gently, but with a little bit of force. Make sure you're doing it good. Then right now I'm just lightly finger detangling as I go along, like scrubbing his scalp. You can kind of see the curls starting to form already. Your hair suds up like this, that's a sign that it's clean too. There's no suds, there's no, that means your hair's dirty, and that also means that your hair's taking it in. Now we're gonna go ahead and rinse out the shampoo. Making sure to get all the shampoo out of his hair. You don't want to leave any shampoo in your hair at all. The next step, we're gonna condition. Conditioning is also one of the most important parts. Same thing with shampoo. You wanna make sure you get a good cleaning and then a good conditioner. Right now, I'm just lightly finger detangling. With the shampoo, I lightly finger detangle, but with the conditioner, especially with this one has a lot of slip to it. That's when I really want to focus on the detangling and combing through and brushing and all that. And here you can also see the curls starting to form. So right now I'm just going through lightly with the brush. I know it looks hard, but it's actually pretty light. I was being very gentle. You never want to just rake through your hair like rough. Always start from the ends and work your way to the roots. And then you never want to pull at knots. Like, see how I'm doing it right there? You never want to pull at it. You want to lightly separate the hairs. Left that in for a few minutes, and then now we're rinsing it out. And now we're going in with the deep conditioner. This deep conditioner I used to use for myself. This one's not bad. It's a good one for the price range. It's not bad. With the deep conditioner right now, I'm just raking it through his hair, lightly detangling, very lightly, because we already did that with the conditioner, but just getting out some, whatever the leftover tangles are. Put this deep conditioner in. We're gonna leave that in for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on like how much heat you put. All right, so right now he just put the cap on, and we're gonna leave that in for a couple minutes, like I said, and then we're gonna come back and rinse it out. All right, so we are back, and now it's time to rinse it out. You can still kind of see the deep conditioner, so it didn't fully absorb into his hair. You know that the deep conditioner absorbed into your hair when it's pretty much clear. His hair did a pretty decent job absorbing it. So now we're just rinsing out whatever's left. We rinsed out most of it. We rinsed out about 98% of it. I left like 2% of it in, just like a very small amount. So I'm sectioning off his hair with clips. I'm also gonna start from the back. That's just the easiest for me. You can start wherever, however you want. Putting a little bit of oil to start. I put a little bit of oil just to start off the process. I'm rubbing that into his hair. I'm just applying the leave-in, making sure to thoroughly rub it through his hair. So now I'm applying the leave-in to half his head right now. You can kind of see the curls clumping up a little bit. But always make sure to spray water. Use a lot of water. You can never use too much water. But you can use too little water, so make sure to keep spraying, because if your hair is not wet enough, your hair is not going to absorb the product enough. So you're just going to have product sitting on your head, which can lead to product buildup, which you don't want. Apply the gel and the leave-in. I'm just applying a lot of water, just making sure to use enough. For curls, gel and water is key. Like, you don't have to use leave-ins, oils, or nothing. If you just want straight up definition, you can technically just use water and gel. But if we're focused on the health of our hair, we're gonna put leave-ins, oils, and all the stuff we need to be moisturized.
Right, we are now done. As you can see, I'm raking through his hair. You can see the definition. You can see the clumps, the curls, the juicy curls. Look at these curls, that's crazy. Book me, y'all, book me, book me. I'm just gonna have him shake his hair a little bit just to loosen up the curls. I don't know the science behind it, but if you shake your hair after you do it, before and after, it does just help to separate the curls a little bit. See the definition? You see that definition? That's crazy. This is before and after. Look at the definition on these curls. Simple, simple, simple. Very easy to do. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Very easy to do.
That's the end of the video. Y'all can already tell, man. He did his thing, man. Hey, shout out to my guy. Y'all go follow him on social media. And also, like, comment, subscribe if you liked it. Most of you guys can try these products. It definitely worked for me. I hope it works for you guys. If it doesn't, just keep trying it out. But you want to do the routine. You guys want to try these products out. Also, the routine, you want to do it from 1 to 2 weeks. So I do it every 2 weeks because I'm lazy. I'm sorry, I'm just lazy. But thank you for watching. Tune in. We're going to have more hair videos for you guys. And we out. Peace.